Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a beautiful layered stitch, and this is a lacy stitch too, and this is made of linked trefoils. So the trefoils are made with single crochet, chain 3, single crochet, chain 5, single crochet, chain 3, single crochet, all in the stitch indicated. And it is worked over a multiple of 7 plus 3 as foundation chains. Let me make the required number of foundation chains with solid color and get back to you. I have made 3 repeats of 7 plus 3, 24 chains. To begin with, place a single crochet in the second chain from the hook. Chain 2, skip 2 chains and place a single crochet in the next. Chain 3, skip the next, place a single crochet in the next. Chain 4, skip 4 chains, single crochet in the 5th chain. Chain 3, skip 1, single crochet in the next. Chain 4, skip 4, single crochet in the next. Chain 3, skip 1 chain and single crochet in the next. Chain 2, skip 2 and place your last single crochet in the last chain. Now chain 1 and turn, make a single crochet in the first single crochet. Chain 2, in the chain 3 space here you're going to make a trefoil, that is single crochet, chain 3, single crochet, chain 5, single crochet, chain 3, single crochet, all in the same space. Chain 4, again a trefoil under chain 3 space, chain 4, trefoil under chain 3 space. Continue, repeat the stitch pattern. I shall meet you at the end of this row. Come to the end of this row here, chain 2 and place a single crochet in the single crochet, last single crochet that we made. For row 3, chain 6 and turn. Chain 6 counts as the treble and 2 chain space. So let me chain 6 and turn, sorry. Now skip the chain 3 space, under chain 5 space make a single crochet, chain 3, single crochet, again chain 4, and the next chain 5 space, single crochet, chain 3, single crochet, chain 4, and the next chain 5 space, single crochet, chain 3, single crochet. Chain 2 and place a treble on the last stitch here. Sorry. This completes row 3. The pattern repeat is rows 2 and 3 to the desired length. So this is one pattern repeat. This completes one pattern. So you can repeat the rows, instructions for rows 2 to 3 for the desired length of your project. So thank you friends for watching this video. Hope you liked it. Please subscribe to Magic Needles channel, and please do click on the bell icon so that you will get notifications of the videos that we upload. Do like and share our videos. If you have any queries, you may post in the comments section, and if you want the written instructions, you can request in the comments section with your email ID. It will be sent to your email ID. So bye friends for now. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video. Have a great day friends.